We don't need the textbook right now. We are doing chapter number 3, factors and multiples. But I hope you have read that page, is what I had said earlier before you came into class. But I'm going to explain it further, and we are going to write things that we are going to use in a sandwich. Okay? Yes, Ranveer, you want to say something?
You are given page 49, checkpoint 3.2, first and second question homework.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, you are given.
Yeah, I had given that. So?
I did them.
I know. I'm not talking about checkpoint 3.2. Okay? Now, what we are going to do? We are going to make, Subhan, what are you writing?
It's how to make a sandwich.
But I didn't ask you how to make a sandwich. I'm not asking you the process to make a sandwich. So when I am giving an instruction, you will wait to hear the full instruction. Don't listen to things halfway and start completing things, okay? Now listen to me, what we are going to do. We are going to write down the things we need to make a sandwich. And which sandwich are we looking to make? We are going to make simple cheese sandwich. Okay? We are going to make simple cheese sandwich. You remember in our previous flameless cooking class, we had already made cheese sandwich once. Yaad hai? Cheese sandwich banaya tha?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are going to write down things we need to make the sandwich, the cheese sandwich. Can you just write down that much? Things needed to make cheese sandwich. Bas itna hi likho. Subhan, I don't want you to write anything more than what I'm telling you right now. Again, you will repeat that same mistake that you did long time once. We had to go somewhere else, and because you thought something, you ended up going somewhere else. So don't do that. Let's go along with the class because there's a reason why we are doing this. Yes, Ranveer.
Ma'am, things to be used in a cheese sandwich.
I'm saying no, Baba. Okay. Now, who can tell me the most important ingredient that you need to use in a cheese sandwich? Don't write unless I ask you.
Cheese. Cheese.
Okay, we have
Bread.
cheese. Thank you. That's bread. The most important thing that you need for a sandwich is bread. Okay. We are just making one type of sandwich today, which is cheese sandwich, right? But the most important thing that we want to do, we need when we are making a sandwich is bread. Okay.
Bread.
So write the first ingredient as bread.
Second is cheese.
Second thing, I will say, हमको butter लगेगा. Second thing I will say is we need butter. Okay, because we have to spread butter on both sides of that bread. Okay, okay. So chalo, let's write bread. Second thing you need is bread. Tanishka, can you tell me another thing that we need for making sandwich, cheese sandwich?
No, ma'am. First thing is bread. Second thing is butter. You said again second is bread.
Sorry, first bread, second butter. Yes, Tanishka. Third thing.
Cheese.
Cheese. Okay, are we looking for grated cheese or cheese slice? Up to us.
Grated cheese.
Okay, up to us. We can write grated cheese. G-R-A-T-E-D. Grated का spelling है G-R-A-T-E-D. Grated. Okay.
T-E-D, ma'am.
Yes, G-R-A-T-E-D. Grated.
Yes.
G-R-E.
And do we need grated cheese? Last time
Want to use grated cheese in the sandwich? You can use grated cheese.
Ma'am, next is pepper and salt.
Next is pepper, and then the next one is salt. Pepper and salt do alag cheese hai. Some people say they don't want salt because it's already there in cheese. Some people say they don't want pepper. Okay, so you will write pepper and salt as two separate ingredients. It is not one single item, right? Yes or no, Tanishka? salt and pepper.
Yes, ma'am.
Although you eat together, वो है दो अलग अलग चीज. Correct? चलो. So fourth item लिखो salt and fifth item लिखो pepper.
Next is
Tomatoes and onions.
तुम cheese sandwich में tomato onion भी डालते हो क्या? No, we are not making. There is nothing to laugh. There is nothing to laugh.
No.
We are not making tomato onion cheese sandwich. We are just making simple cheese sandwich.
Then cheese sandwich. Then ketchup and mayonnaise.
Ketchup,
Ketchup.
mayonnaise. Oh, okay. You can add ketchup and mayonnaise.
honey mustard.
Okay. Listen. Stop right there. Now what you're doing is adding to things as per your taste. Okay? तो किसी को केचप अच्छा लगता है, किसी को हनी मस्टर्ड अच्छा लगता है, किसी को मेयोनीज अच्छा लगता है, बट चीज सैंडविच के लिए स्पेसिफिकली जस्ट टू मेक चीज सैंडविच it can be made without ketchup, it can be made without mayonnaise, correct? So we are just making cheese sandwich. Understood? So Tanishka, cheese sandwich is the main thing that we are going to make. Can you read out all the items that you need to make cheese sandwich?
So we used to make cheese sandwich. First bread, second butter, third grated cheese, fourth salt, fifth pepper.
Okay. Subhan, can you read the items we need to make a cheese sandwich?
Bread, 2 slices, butter on both the slices. Grated
No, I'm
cheese on the
again. Subhan, you are again putting the process over there. कि कैसा चाहिए, किस में डालना है. That's not what we are doing. I very clearly said, we don't want the process of making cheese sandwich. We just want the ingredients. सिर्फ सामान चाहिए. तुमको अगर दुकान में जाके सामान खरीदना है, तो क्या मम्मी तुमको बोलेगी क्या? बटर चाहिए 2 स्लाइस में लगाने के लिए, 2 ब्रेड चाहिए, नहीं ना? You will just make a list. Butter चाहिए, bread चाहिए, नमक चाहिए, this चाहिए, that चाहिए, right? That's all I'm asking you to do. So when we are writing ingredients, Subhan, please stick to the point. Please follow what's being told. Stick to the point and do only that. We are not writing the process of making sandwich. We are only writing the
bread,
things we need to make sandwich. Go on.
bread, butter, grated cheese, pepper, and salt.
Thank you. Vihan, can you tell me the things we need to make sandwich?
I need bread, butter, cheese is grated, pepper, and salt.
Okay. Ranveer, what all do you need to make grated cheese? Cheese.
Bread, butter, grated cheese, pepper, salt.
Okay. Are we all having the same list of ingredients?
Yes,
ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are going to make tomato onion cheese sandwich. All right. Now write the next heading. Items needed to make tomato onion cheese sandwich. Tanishka, she's doing that. Tanishka के मुंह में पानी आ रहा है.
Yes.
Tomato, onion.
Okay. Now
Ma'am,
what?
tomato, onion, cheese sandwich, no?
Listen to me very carefully. Second part, you are writing items to make tomato onion cheese sandwich. Now what I want you to do, I want you to copy the same 5 set of ingredients that you've written on top, okay, which is bread, butter, grated cheese, salt, pepper. Then you're also going to write tomato as your 6th item and onion as your 7th item. चलो लिखो. चलो लिखो.
Ketchup.
Exactly जैसे अभी मैंने बोला वैसे लिखना है.
Is used onion tomato cheese sandwich.
What, Subhan?
Ketchup is also used
What is 1 minute? 1 minute. Rehan, don't make that noise, please. Yes, Subhan, what did you say?
The ketchup is also used in bread, tomato and onion sandwich.
No, ketchup is used if some people want. But if it is tomato, onion, cheese sandwich, tomato and onion is compulsory. Ketchup is not compulsory. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you all written all the ingredients?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Look at both the ingredients, both the list that you have. Read through it for a minute. And then I will tell you what I want us to do.
Ma'am, but it is something to do with factors and multiples.
Yes, it is. Of course, it is something to do with factors and multiples. But what we are right now doing is factors. We will get to multiples in the next lecture. Okay?
Ma'am, multiple means the
I
table
didn't ask
and
you to talk. Have you read what is being written in your book? I told you take 2 minutes to read the book. No, you're talking. Take 2 minutes to read what you have written. Sit up straight and read.
sandwich, bread, butter, grated cheese, pepper, salt, tomato, onion.
Make a cheese sandwich. You need bread, butter, cheese, pepper, and salt.
Grated
Read
cheese,
what's in your book.
salt, potato,
Read the book. Read.
onion. Bread, butter, grated cheese, pepper, salt.
Tomato, onion.
Okay. Have you read all the factors that are there in the book?
Yes.
Oh, did I say factors? Oh, I was supposed to say ingredients, no? Did I just say factors that are there in the book?
Factors and multiples.
Yes.
Tanishka, did you take a couple of minutes to read all the ingredients that you've written that is needed for cheese sandwich and for tomato onion cheese sandwich? Have you read that?
Yes, ma'am. But
So when you make tomato onion cheese sandwich, you take 2 extra things. You take tomato and onion as well. But when you're going to make only cheese sandwich, you are only going to take the basic items necessary for cheese sandwich, correct? Okay. Now let's do something like this. Write the number 6 in your book. Write the number 6.
What, ma'am?
Write the number 6 in your book and tell me ये 6 जो number है वो कौन से tables में आता है?
6 ones are 6.
2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2.
3. 12, 18,
1, 2 and 3.
16.
सोचो
That's it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 6.
Listen,
1,
don't
2,
shout.
3
I
and
don't want
6.
anyone shouting. I don't want anyone shouting in the class. I can hear you all very well. But the problem is when you shout so much, I want to just remove one earpiece because it really hurts my ears. Okay? Once you have said something, hold on to it. I can hear when you say it. Now my question was, the number 6. 6 number achieve करने के लिए कौन से टेबल के पास जाना पड़ेगा? Okay? Like cheese sandwich बनाने के लिए क्या सामान डालना पड़ेगा? Number 6 को कोई टेबल में देखने के लिए कौन से टेबल के पास जाना पड़ेगा? So you all said 1. I don't want you to write and show me, Ranveer. I can hear when you say it. You all said 1, 2, 3, and 6. Right? So you need 4 ingredients that makes up for the number 6. Right? 4 factors that make up for the number 6. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes.
We have 4 factors that make up for the number 6. Ranveer, are you sleepy? Do you want to take a break?
No, ma'am.
The moment you're not going to sit up straight, the moment you're going to slouch, and you're going to just keep doing like this, you are going to end up yawning. I want children sitting straight in my class. Sit straight so you can hear me well. Okay? So you said 6 जो नंबर है उसको बनाने के लिए, जो 6 वाला सैंडविच है उसको बनाने के लिए हमको एक ब्रेड लगेगा, 2 स्पून बटर लगेगा, 3 स्पून सॉल्ट लगेगा और 6 स्पून पेपर लगेगा. Oh, that's quite a big box. Okay. I'm now going to give you the next number. Okay. Next number is 8. Now you tell me 8 जो नंबर है इसके फैक्टर्स क्या क्या हो सकते हैं. 8 वाला सैंडविच बनाने के लिए क्या क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स डालने पे हमको 8 तक मिल सकता है. What ingredients can you add into the entire thing so we can get 8? Come on, Tanishka, this question is to you. Come on, you just solved 6. Now what is the difficulty with 8? Put that number 8 on your book and tell me.
Oh,
Subhan, what is your answer? 8 के लिए क्या क्या है?
8 ones are 8.
8 के फैक्टर्स क्या क्या है? 8 को बनाने के लिए क्या क्या नंबर्स लगता है?
Plus 4. 4 plus 4. 4
and 8. 2, 4,
4
8.
2, 4, 8. What about 1? Salt तो हर चीज में लगता है ना. 1 तो salt जैसा है. 1 तो सब में आ जाएगा. Salt तो हर चीज में लगता है, तो 1 को भूलना मत.
1, 2, 4, 8.
1, 2, 4, 8. Good. Very good. Very good. Now, Ranveer, this number is for you. You tell me what all factors are needed for us to reach 10.
Ma'am, 1 and 10. Sorry, 1,
Ranveer,
2.
this is no race. I have given you time. Think and solve it. Don't always solve just anything that comes to your mind. Think and come up with answers. We are not giving you a time frame ki 1 minute mein karo, 2 minute mein karo. Think and come up with answers. So when you are getting the time, use the time.
Ma'am, 1, 2, 5 and 10.
See, when you think, you can come up with better answers. So don't just say that, जो भी मन में आया वो फटाक से बोल दिया. नहीं. Yes, 1, 2, 5 and 10. Vihan, the next number is coming to you and the number is 4. Tell me things that reach up to 4.
The numbers reach up to 4 is 4 ones are 4, 2 ones are 2, and 2 twos are 4.
So what are the factors for 4?
4, 8, 12.
No. Now you are telling me something more than what I need to put into cheese sandwich. We are making cheese sandwich, but you are saying now you have to put kheera also, you have to put aloo masala also. No. You cannot go beyond cheese sandwich. So remember that. You cannot go beyond cheese sandwich. So you cannot go beyond number 4. That is one thing you'll remember when you're doing factors. You cannot go beyond that given number. That's the beauty of doing factors and looking to remember that this is what we have to make. We can't make more than that. हम प्लेन दाल बना रहे हैं तो सिर्फ प्लेन दाल ही बनाएंगे. उसको मसाला दाल, तड़का दाल सब नहीं करेंगे. हमको 4 के पास क्या क्या फैक्टर्स आएगा देखना है, तो 4 तक ही जा सकते हैं, 4 के आगे नहीं जा सकते हैं. Come on, Tanishka, you tell me what all are the factors for 4?
Ma'am, 1 salt, 2 4
1, 2, 4. Correct. Correct. Ranveer, what all are the factors for the number 11?
7. Ma'am, 1 and 11.
Correct. 1 and 11 only. Correct. और कुछ नहीं आ सकता है ना उसमें. It has to stop at 11. Right? It cannot go beyond 11. Let's remember that. Remember the cheese sandwich example. चीज सैंडविच बनाना है तो चीज ही डाल सकते हो उसमें, उसके आगे नहीं जा सकते हैं. तुम टमाटो एंड ऑनियन उसमें नहीं डाल सकते हैं. Only if it is cheese, onion, tomato sandwich, then you can add cheese and onion to it. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Okay.
Yes.
Now, Subhan, tell me what are the factors for 13?
1, then 1 is there, one more is 12, 12 plus 1.
12 plus 1? 12 plus 1 is 17. यहाँ पे addition कौन बोल रहा है? I'm talking about what?
You have said no, factors.
Factors में addition आता है. Subhan, think and answer. Factors में addition आता है. Factors has nothing to do with addition in it. 17 क्या क्या है? Sorry, what is the number I gave you? 13. What all are the factors for 13? क्या क्या करने से हम 13 तक ही पहुंच पाएंगे? Tables क्या क्या है जिसमें 13 आता है?
8 or 1, 8 or 1.
8 and 1, 8 के टेबल में 13 आता है.
No.
Subhan, you have not understood the concept. Wait, Tanishka, 13 factors for 13.
1,
1 and 13.
1 and 13, that's it. I told you things that are needed for us to reach to the number 13 through tables. शुरू में ही मैंने बोला था tables को याद रखना ही है. किस किस tables में 13 आएगा? सिर्फ 1 and 13 में 13 आएगा और किस में आएगा? And you stop at 13 because cheese sandwich बन गया है, उसके आगे tomato and onion नहीं डालना है. Okay? Ranveer, the next number to you is 17. किस किस tables में 17 आएगा?
Ma'am, 1 and 17.
1 and 17. That's it. उसके आगे नहीं आएगा. Cool. Tanishka, your number is 7.
7. 1 and 7.
Bas, 1 and 7. Finished. Subhan, your number is 5.
5 ना 1 के टेबल में आता है, 5 के टेबल में आता है.
इस बात को तुम इंग्लिश में बोल सकते हो क्या?
Yes, 5 comes in 1 and 5 table.
Okay, so you
One
will
and-
say it as factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Okay, all right. Now do you see, we did 8, we did 10, we did 4. इसमें बहुत सारे factors आ रहे थे, right? इसमें बहुत सारे factors आ रहे थे, जैसे cheese sandwich बनाना है या फिर bread ये tomato onion sandwich बनाना है, बहुत सारा सामान आ रहा था. But now when you look at 13, 11, 17, 7, 5, ये सिर्फ ब्रेड एंड बटर है, इसके आगे कुछ भी नहीं है। ये सिर्फ 2 इंग्रेडिएंट है इसमें, ब्रेड एंड बटर। डू यू नोटिस दैट रणवीर? कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट विहान? दैट दीज नंबर्स हैव ओनली 2 फैक्टर्स। जो बेसिक ब्रेड है, ब्रेड तो बेसिक है तो ब्रेड तो रहेगा ही उसमें, सो दैट नंबर, द नंबर इटसेल्फ इज द ब्रेड। तो ब्रेड तो है ही, रणवीर लुक हियर, प्लस बटर, right? Bread and butter, finished. Now these numbers, listen to me very carefully. Subhan, what are you still writing?
Factors.
But I never gave any number to you. Can you be with the class? It will be nice if you're going to be with the class, because that will be in your benefit. When I tell you all to read the textbook, you all don't do that. Now in the class, you're sitting and reading textbook, and I'm saying close the textbook. Okay. Now these numbers, Tanishka, enough. These numbers which only have the bread and butter. These numbers which only have bread and butter, listen to me very carefully. They will only have the khud ka number itself with 1, which is only bread and butter. मैं बार बार कह रही हूँ, जो numbers में सिर्फ bread and butter है, which is the number itself and 1 are the factors. These numbers are called prime numbers. What are these numbers called?
Prime number.
And number.
Numbers.
Okay. So the numbers in which only bread and butter is there, like 19. Okay. 19 के factors क्या है? 1 and 19.
1 and 19.
1 to 19 तक। 19 किस टेबल में आता है? किसी भी टेबल में नहीं आता है except for 1 and 19 itself.
1 and 19 में आता है.
It's a what number? It's a what number?
Prime number.
Prime
Bread
number.
and butter.
It's a bread and butter. It's a bread and butter number. It is a prime number. Okay.
Prime number.
I'm going to give you one more number. I'm going to give you one more number.
Then we go for an extra and winter.
Vihan, can you please not keep telling me what is the next class and what we need to do now?
No, I'll never do that.
Okay. What are the factors for the number 3?
1 and 3.
1 and 3.
1 and 3.
Prime number. Bread
Prime
and butter.
Prime number.
Bread and butter number, prime
Bread
number.
and butter number, prime number. Yes,
Bread
correct.
and butter.
Okay. Who can tell me the factors for the number 9?
9 was the 9. 9.
Subhan, what you? 1 minute.
1.
1 minute. Subhan, didn't I say repeatedly that in factors you have to stop at 9? And you're telling me 9 ka table. Does 9 ka table stop at 9? Or it keeps going beyond 9? So that means you're not focusing.
Beyond.
You are going beyond 9. And I very clearly said you have to stop at 9. It stops at 9. So your
Factors of
numbers have to be, listen, your numbers have to be all lesser than 9. 9 and lesser than 9, which means 9 तक के टेबल में 9 कौन से टेबल में आता है? बताओ.
1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9.
1, 3 and 9. Subhan, idhar. Subhan.
Bread, butter and salt number.
Bread, butter and salt.
1, 3 and 9. In 3 numbers में, these 3 numbers are the factors for 9. Next number I will
9
give
is
you.
a 9, 3, 3 is a 9. And 9
Next
1 is a 9.
Next number I'm giving you is, let's see, 2.
1 and 2.
1 and 2. 1 and
1 and 2, correct. Next
butter.
number I am giving.
Bread and butter. Bread and
Next
butter.
number
Bread and-
I am giving you is 16. 1 6 16.
116.
116.
16 और किसी टेबल में नहीं आता है.
Ma'am, 1, 2, and
One way,
16.
don't shout. One way, don't shout.
1 2 16.
Wrong.
1 16. Bread, butter, cheese.
Wrong.
Ma'am,
के table
1, 2, 4, 16.
1 2 8.
1, 2,
1
4,
8
16.
One person is saying 1 2 4 16. The other person is saying 1 2 8 16.
1 2 4 8.
16.
Correct. 1 2 4 8 and 16. Correct. 1 के टेबल में तो आएगा ही. 2 8s are 16. अब 2 8s are 16 है तो 8 के टेबल में भी आएगा. 4 4s are 16. 8 2s are 16. 16 1s are 16. So it has 5 factors. Understood?
Bread, butter, cheese, and
Pepper.
salt and pepper. Cheese sandwich.
Understood? Understood?
Yes. Yes.
Now you are going to do this thing as homework. I will be sending the numbers to you, but I'm sure you can remember it. You're going to write the factors for numbers from 1 to 20. Factors, write down. Home assignment for today. Home assignment for
Can
today.
you write your home assignment?
Home assignment for today. Write factors from 1 to 20. So you will write 1 equals 1. 2 equals 1 comma 2. 3 equals 1 comma 3. 4 equals 1 comma 2 comma 4. Okay, understood? Like this you're going to write up to 20. Okay.
Ma'am, but where I
Submitted
write
by
like in the table needed 1, 2, 3, okay? I'll write 1, comma 2. I'll not write comma, I'll write and 3. I'll write the sign of and.
No need. You have to only keep writing commas. Okay. We'll get to and, if, but and all later on. Right now you just put the factors together. Okay. All right. Chalo. Let's take a 2-minute break. Go wash your eyes and come.
Hello.
Let's take a
I
2-minute
want
break.
cheese sandwich, ma'am.
I know cheese sandwich and some cold coffee. मजा आएगा ना? I know. Don't worry.
tell it.
हम लोग सब मिलेंगे ना. We'll make cheese sandwich and we'll make cold coffee also. चलो. 2-minute break and come to the next class.